Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Stradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 17th of March today, Friday. And in our today's review, first we'll speak about an event that to some extent provoked the recent cryptocurrency rise. This is the closure of US signature bank. And then we will get to technical picture and forecasts, first of Bitcoin and then Ethereum. And we will start with an article by Sebastian Seliger. And first, some news about the closure of US signature bank that was reported on Sunday. And the institution was quite favorable towards the cryptocurrency market and served many entities in this sector, while last week's collapse of Silvergate and Silicon Valley Bank were quite predictable. This news was quite unexpected. Interestingly, supervisory authorities have previously investigated this cryptocurrency bank for its activities, and regulators began to suspect that money laundering was taking place through it. As reported, the case was handled by an investigative team from the United States Department of Justice. It investigated whether Signature had implemented all the required measures to detect money laundering of its customers. It was also questioned whether the bank properly verified the entities that opened accounts with it. A separate independent investigation is also being conducted by the Securities and Exchange Commission, but it is not clear in what capacity the probe is conducted by the Commission. However, given the recent efforts of this institution to take control of the cryptocurrency market and increasingly bizarre practices, one can expect that Gary Gensler will find some reason to file a lawsuit against Signature. Okay, now let's get to technical picture. We will start with Bitcoin and let's see the Sebastian's forecast. Let's have a look at the chart. So the Bitcoin American dollar pair has reversed from the monthly and weekly highs seen at the level 25,257 as the pullback continues. This is short-term technical resistance, so any sustained breakout above this level will change the mid-term sentiment on the cryptocurrency market for more bullish. The momentum on the 4-hour time frame chart remains on the elevated levels, so the resumption of the uptrend is still on the table, Sebastian thinks, as long as the level of 23,926 is not clearly violated. However, he attracts attention to the fact that the market keeps trading above the 50 and 100 moving average on the 4-hour time frame chart. So despite the recent rally, the downtrend on the 4-hour daily and weekly chart time frames continues without any indication of possible trend termination or reversal. So according to Sebastian, this is just a temporary rise. So far, every bounce and attempt to rally is being used to sell Bitcoin for a better price by the market participants, so the bearish pressure is still high, he thinks. The game-changing level for bulls is located at 25,442, and it must be clearly violated for a valid breakout in the longer term. And now let's observe another opinion by Petr Akimovich, and he has a similar opinion on the technical picture of Bitcoin. So Petr writes that Bitcoin has been trading sideways at the price of 24,680, and he sees potential for the downside movement due to the breakout of the mini channel. Due to the extreme bull condition and downside breakout on MACD, he sees potential for the downside rotation. Downside objectives are set at the price of 22,650 and 22,300. Meanwhile, stochastic is showing fresh bull cross, but the market is still in the downside regime. And key resistance, according to Peter, is set at the price of 26,150. Okay, let's have a look at the chart for the moment. Okay, and it's 17th of March today, and Bitcoin opened today at point 25,019, and now it is trading at 26,143. So far, we can see that Bitcoin managed to broke all the resistance points. According to Peter, the resistance is at the point of 26,150, and according to Sebastian, it is set at 25,257. So far, it is above it. Well, probably this is still a bullish trend. We will see. And now let's get to Ethereum and another article by Sebastian Seligam. Let's have a look at the chart. So Ethereum American dollar pair has made a three-wave corrective cycle towards the level of 1,615 and might be ready to resume the uptrend. The bulls need to break above the intraday technical resistance located at the level of 1,665 in order to resume the rally. The intraday technical support comes with the help of 50 moving average seen at 1,619 and 100 moving average seen at the level 1,644, as well as the level of 1,664. The positive momentum on the daily time frame chart supports the short bullish bias for Ethereum. However, the market conditions are extremely overbought, Sebastian warns, so a pullback or local consolidation might continue for some time. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. Ethereum opened today, the 17th of March, on the point 1,674, and now it is trading at the point 1,724. Well, so far we see also a bullish momentum, bullish trend. It is above all that points. Sebastian mentioned it's far above it. It's even managed to come above 1,700. So probably the trend is still bullish. Anyway, weekend is ahead. Things may change. We will see each other on Monday in our next review. I wish you a successful weekend and profitable trading until next time.